Well, Merry Christmas. Today I am going to work on replacing an exhaust fan. My better half has asked me to replace it. It's not working. So that's what I'll show. So hang around if that's something you're interested in. And as you can tell from the barking, I have my sidewalk superintendent, my 15-year-old schnauzer, who is way too vocal about shit. Jesse, what's the problem? Yeah, that's what I thought. So anyways, I've already taken the light bulb out, and I've taken, I started taking this down, and that's when I stopped, but I'll show you how to access everything here in a minute. So, to get in here, it's got this, it's hanging in, can't focus. There you go. This screw is what's holding the fan cover onto the housing. So I can remove that. And there is, we have a combo heater, light, and exhaust fan. So, as you can tell, it's well used. It's got multiple drywall screws holding it in. And I am not going to replace the heater because we never use it. And I will replace the exhaust fan and the light. So that's what we're doing. And I wanted to take it down so I can measure to see what size hole I've got to cover. So I've seen some of them are square. Unfortunately, my house is probably 25 years old and this has not been replaced. So hopefully I can find something that'll fit in this area. All right, so I did two things. I got just a fan, because if I can just replace the fan, that's what I'm gonna do. It's a lot easier than taking a whole box out. So we'll try that. And if that doesn't work, then I bought the only one that they have that's the same size as the one that's in there right now. So I'm hoping that I can fix this and then take this one back, but we'll see what happens. But anyhow, let's get to this. Oh, and the other thing that I didn't say was that why I would like to do it with just replacing the fan motor is because this is $20 and this is $120. So if I can fix it for $20 and it's a lot easier, then that's the way I'm going to go. If I can't do it and I do this, then I can take this one back. So anyways, that way I save a trip. So that's what we're going to do. So as you can see, like I told you earlier, you can just unplug it to get it out of there. And then it's got two screws to take out, and then I can remove the motor. So it's sort of hard to have a camera to record this while I'm doing it. So I'm just gonna do it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So here I go. All right, so I took the three screws out, which one was there, and then that held the whole clip in place, or the plate in place, and then the two that were holding the fan in there. So now it's time to open the box and see if my new fan will work in place of this fan, which it should. I have very great hope that it'll work. So let's open a box and see what we got. So there we have the new fan motor, and it looks a lot like the existing one. So I got to take the bracket off right there, put it on here, and voila, I fixed my exhaust fan, fingers crossed, for 20 bucks in gas money. And then I can take this big heffalump back. So let's get going. Alrighty, I've changed the bracket over to the new fan motor.
there's a new fan wheel that was with the kit. There's the old one. So you can see they made it a little lighter, but there we go. So now I'm gonna mount the motor to the cover plate. Then I can install the fan. Then I can install it back up in there, and we'll be done. And it's like a literally 3-minute fix, probably 5 since I'm talking. So besides the fact that I had to drive all the way to my favorite big box store. So here we go. All right, so I made some adjustments to make sure that it would spin freely in there. So I got the new motor, spins freely. And there we go. It is exhausting gases, so there you go. So hopefully this helps somebody out there. It was relatively simple. I didn't have to change the whole fixture out, which is good to go. It cost me $20 plus tax plus gas. I'm going to take the $120 piece back. So, you know, they actually had the replacement part at Lowe's. I'll give you the name. And so if your fan goes out and you don't feel like replacing the whole fixture, just know that there is the ability to replace it. So luckily, whoever designed this, I think it's a Nutone. I'm not sure who manufactured this originally, but they allowed for the plugs for the heater, the fan, and the light bulb, so that you can take the separate pieces down and replace. If I would have had more time, I'm sure I could have found it on the old interweb and found the parts I needed. So anyways, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this helps. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below and I'll get to them as quickly as I can. But other than that, I really appreciate everybody subscribing. Hit the old bell, wherever the hell that is. And thanks again for all your support. I appreciate it. Have a great day.